drug that really works.
Really helping.
And so you can't let the people that can't let
$7 billion.
$7 billion.
It would be unethical to not give the people who are on the placebo the actual drug, was basically
because there's 19 million yesterday it didn't reflect. Remember we were saying it. So this is not some small cap. I mean, it's small cap, but for biotech it's huge. It's $7 billion.
It's interesting how many of these drugs are coming out of small companies, not the big pharma companies.
Right.
I think that's what's significant, is they continue to produce them. Pharma's buying them up. Pharma's, Pfizer.
One of the last places where we see this kind of innovation that you.
It's great, and they take the risk. It could have failed. You never know until the last minute.
That's a good way to do it.
But it's exciting. It's great. Yeah.
It's phenomenal, and
it's a great sector.
What else do I know about that? Yeah. I mean, it's not the most common disease, obviously, but because when you think cirrhosis, you normally think of people that.
I don't know.
Huh?
It's serious.
You think this is non-alcoholic cirrhosis of the liver?
No, I understand. Like Hep C,
right?
Will destroy your liver.
Oh yeah, that too. Yeah.
So no, I think it's great. And I think we need to support these kind of. NIH needs to support these kind of companies. That's the key, and we're defunding NIH. So that's one of the few areas of government funding I support.
Well, we're going to spend a lot of money on it. Okay, why don't you tell your story? What was your story? Was it 2 people out where?
Okay, so we have some close friends out in Colorado, okay? They make about $60,000 a year, hardworking people.
60,000 each?
No, combined.
Combined?
Combined income, 60 grand, okay? And so they had a high deductible plan, 12 grand. They pay $297 a month.
$297 a month.
$297 a month. Okay, their plan got canceled December 28th, okay? And the best plan they can get on the bronze plan is $979 a month.
So $278 to $900.
And they believe in Obamacare, and guess what? They're not going to take insurance. And they're going to save the $1,000 a month and hope that they can build up enough backlog to take care of a catastrophic.
What's their age?
40 years old, 45. And they hope. And this is really a sad story because it's happening all over the country. This is not just a one-off. I'm hearing this all over, that everyone's getting their premiums increased.
That's what I keep saying. The glitch is we're going to forget about that quickly. But wait till it really is in effect.
Let me tell you what's coming. It's adverse selection. That's the one that's going to drive you nuts because people like this are not going to be in the pool. Any insurance company worth their salt is going to reprice in March for 2015. You're going to see increases in the 30s in 2015.
And they'll blame the insurance companies for it, even though it's a market system, and we're going to hear that it's not Obamacare's fault.
But this is a big problem. This is a big problem. And
well, if you keep speaking like this, you get invited to all the elite progressive stuff. You're at Harvard now. People don't know you. They think Bill Jones, oh yeah, they love you now, but hopefully they're not watching right now.
I'm telling you, until you give people incentives for staying well, like Toby was saying, you're not going to get there from here. Right now, it's against the law to have incentives for people staying well. That's why I said no Medtronic plan would qualify. Just because everything has an incentive for staying well, we've got to provide people incentives. Incentives work in America. Like it or not, they work.